everyone, I'm Laura Milligan and I am so excited to share with you my latest class to go. This was created by myself and my Canadian demonstrator friend Sherry Roth. It features the Christmas Cloche bundle and it is adorable. It's going to get you in the mood for Christmas and winter and snow. And let me turn my camera view down so that you can see what's included. So with this class, you will get kits to make these 6 beautiful cards, 2 of which are the super fun shaker cards. And if you've never made a shaker card before, they're easy. And with our class, we include a PDF tutorial with both measurements for all the projects and a video that will walk you through each card and how to put them together so that you'll be able to stamp and follow along right with us. Let me show you what else is included. You will receive over $26 in product. The cloche shaker domes, you'll use those for your shaker cards. A pack of the essentials trim, 2 bolts, silver and a gold. You will receive a package of the subtle shimmer sequins, and these of course are also for the shaker cards, but also we will use them as embellishments for the other cards. And then you'll get a pack of this beautiful snowy white velvet. And this is beautiful paper and really fun, and we do some cute things with this in the class. Like I said, you will get the PDF with the measurements and a video tutorial and a photo, of course, of each of the projects. And the 6 card kits will be prepped for you. If you'd like to add on the Christmas Cloche bundle, which you will need to complete these projects, you can do that at catalog price, which is $45. So that saves you tax and shipping. So I have 3 different options for this class. Option 1 is just the basic class, which is the card kits and this product, and that is $40. If you need shipping for any of these options, that's an additional $8. I do ship priority mail. And then option 2 is for those of you that need the bundle. That would be an additional $45. And then I have option 3, which is just the PDF tutorial. And I send that out at the same time that I ship out my class to go, which will be towards the end of October. Registration is now open and closes on October 15th. The PDF tutorial is $15, and I have an additional add-on, which you will see when you go to register. It's for 2 embossing folders that were used in the class. One is the Evergreen Forest embossing folder, and the other is the Time Worn Type embossing folder. If you want those, you can just add those onto the class. You will need to supply your own inks. And for this class, we used Early Espresso, Night of Navy, Real Red, Basic Gray, and Smoky Slate. If you don't have any of those and want to add those onto your class feed, just shoot me a quick email and I will be happy to do that for you. So I am excited about this class, and I hope that you will consider purchasing it. The cards are beautiful. They're lovingly prepared and designed by Sherry and I, and I hope that you will take a look and register for the class. Thanks so much.